विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार। संवसारीक दृष्टी दिसा निमतान मुक्ता ऑप्टिशियन, विजन केअर आनी सेजा गोवाचे जोड पालवान दिवचले सुर्ला हालींच दोळे तपासपाचें शिबीर घेतलें। खूब लोकांनी ह्या शिबिराचो लाव घेतलो।
मुक्ता ऑप्टिशियन, विजन केअर आनी सेजा गोवान 13 ऑक्टोबर ते 24 ऑक्टोबर मजगतीं गोंयान वेगवेगळ्या गांवांनी फुकट दोळे तपासपाची शिबिरां घेतली। सुर्ला सारकेल्या मिना खणी आशिल्ल्या वाठारांनी असल्या शिबिरांची चड गरज आसता, अशें सुर्लाचो सरपंच म्हणटा।
आणि ह्या गावात चडशे जे लोक आसा आमचे ते दोळ्यां खातीर चडशे आता माझे दोळे व्हडले ना तरी आसतना म्हाका वखल लावचे पडटा, कित्याक सादारण दिसाना ते सदांच आमी ह्या दुल्लानूच भोंवता। आणि अशें जेन्ना जाता तेन्ना कंपनीक जो दिसता की ह्या गांवा खातीर आमी कितें तरी करचें म्हणून।
फकत मायनींग वाठारांतच न्ही, हेर वाठारांनी सेजा असली शिबिरां घेता।
तुमच्या गांवांत चलता आणि हो प्रोग्राम मायनींग न्हय तर पेडणे सारके गांवांत तशेंच पयर आमी आगोंद काणकोण प्रोग्रामाक नेतुर्ले ताका मायनी ना आणि तांकां जरी खरी गरज आसा ते प्रोग्रामाक थंय आमी हो प्रोग्राम घेतलो आणि हो
प्रोफेसर व्ही.ए. कुमसे उलयलो।
एका वादान कंपनी चलता, मिन चलता, हे मायनिंग कंपनी सगळी। एका वादान आमचे दोळ्याक बी त्रास जाता, दोळ्याकी बी त्रास जाता, सगळो धुल आणि बरें चड मातशें वायट आमी ते मानून घेवंक जाय, नाल्यार उदरगत संवसाराची जावची ना। आणि
सुर्लाच्यान आमचो खबराकार उदय परब।
निकत्याच जाल्ले रग्बी वर्ल्ड कपाक लागून भारतांतले बरेच लोक हो खेळ पळोवपाक लागल्यात। भारताचो आदलो रग्बी कॅप्टन चैतन्य सिंग बागांतल्या स्पोर्ट्स पबांत रग्बी वर्ल्ड कपाची फायनल पळोवपा खातीर आयिल्लो। भारतांत ह्या खेळाची ओड तयार जाता हाची ताका खोशी दिसता। मात भारतांत रग्बी खातीर मुळाव्यो सुविधा सुदारपाक जाय अशेंय तो म्हणटा।
रग्बीचो भारताचो पयलो कॅप्टन C.K. नायडू आनी चैतन्य सिंगा मदीं खूब साम्य आसा। 1998 पयलेच फावट चैतन्यान भारताचें नेतृत्व केल्लें। तेन्ना सावन हो बॉम्बे जिमखानाचो खेळगडो सतत भारताच्या पंगडांत खेळ्ळो। 2005 चैतन्या उपरांत भारताच्या पंगडाची कॅप्टन म्हूण जबाबदारी नासिर हुसैनान घेतली।
Well, it was a fantastic time. First international to the Asian Rugby Football Union back in 1998. Had the pleasure of leading the Indian team then. So, formative years, got a lot of groundwork done, a lot of systems and structures were put into place. And I think we're seeing the rewards of that now.
We see just one full-fledged rugby ground in India. It's quite a sad thing that we see just one rugby ground in India. You feel that there should be more, there could be more, and the sport could grow?
Yeah, I mean, like any growing sport, infrastructure is always a major concern. Football's had its fair share. We've seen even hockey, which has been the national sport, struggle with infrastructure. Rugby being a new sport probably struggles more than any other sport. But yes, I think if we want the sport to grow, if we're going to get serious about the Olympic Games, which now the rugby is part of, then infrastructure needs to come through. There needs to be development of the sport, grassroots level. But pitches and access to rugby is the most important.
Do you feel somewhere down the line rugby still remains to be an elitist sport, and the common man somehow feels that he'd rather stay away from it and go into cricket because there's more money there, and he looks at rugby as the elite sport. So do you feel that mentality needs to change?
Well, I think if anything, it's changed. So there is obviously no money in rugby at this point. There's obviously a lot of money in cricket, so you're going to see people gravitate towards areas where they can make a living out of the sport. But having said that, it's not an elite sport anymore. We see rugby being played from the Maidans to the upper clubs. So it is spreading. It's now part of the armed forces, the railways, the navy. It's part of the NGOs. So, it is growing in all those pockets. And it's no longer, I mean, there are only 2 elite clubs that play rugby now.
बागाच्यान आमचो खेळा खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार सर्वेश वेळुस्कार।
आनी इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।